What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Here's a really important question that someone asked me. They were asking me about farmland and this and that. What would be a good thing to invest in farmland? Well, I have a stock that is actually, I'm going to be more active with this stock, and I just changed it from my M1 Finance dividend portfolio to Monday. I'm converting to my E-Trade dividend portfolio and putting some money in it because I like this stock, and it's a real estate investment trust which focuses on farmland. So on my dividend portfolio, I'm diversified in industrial complexes. I have realty income. I have LTC, which are healthcare buildings. I did have rich uncles, and unfortunately, with the bricks rate, shit hit the fan. So I'm going to find out more eventually with them. These shares could be liquidated. There are. I also have Fundrise with my dividend portfolio. So I have a lot of things in my dividend portfolio that are focused, and I also have, I forgot to say, EPR properties and Ryman hospitality properties. So I'm kind of balanced with some real estate, but this is kind of a special real estate investment trust that is focused on farmland. In order to have a very successful, in my opinion, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but in order to have a very successful dividend portfolio with real estate investment trust, you need to be well diversified, because if one sector takes a hit, like I had EPR properties take a hit, I wasn't too worried. I know it's going to take time to fix itself, and I put money into Ryman hospitality properties, but I knew my other stocks would be fine. Even when rich uncles took a hit, and I could be losing up to $2,000 maybe, I still have other backup like Fundrise, and including these guys, which I'm going to start adding a lot more to my E-Trade dividend portfolio. So let's discuss this stock real quick that I'm talking about. That stock would be Gladstone Land Corporation. So this is another stock by Gladstone that specifically focuses on buying farmland. So think about this. Farmers need people to, you sell your farms, or you have people rent farmland, and you get money over time. You raise money from appreciation. The price goes up. Like, I'm in an apartment right now, and my rent went up. Same thing happens with farms. So with Gladstone Land Corporation, especially farmland, people want food. People need food, and these guys specifically focus in farmland. So Gladstone Land Corporation, I guess they listed as overvalued and bullish, but honestly, in the long run, I don't see that being at $15.47 or 48 cents. I think it'll improve over time and be a very strong stock. Now I'm going to be adding this to my E-Trade dividend portfolio. The dividend yield's 3.46% right now. That means that I get 54 cents. If I have one stock, I get 54 cents this year, which means it's at 0.04 cents. It has been consistently on that. I was going to show you the stock and dividend history. I will show you how it's doing against the S&P, but basically it's right at 4 cents a share. It went from 2 cents to 3 cents to slowly 4 cents. So I'll just reveal that in a little bit, but its dividend date is on the 22nd. The PE ratio, it's not available. The beta is 0.69. The market cap is 340.816 million. The volume's 86,819. The bid is $15.45, and the asking price, the big thing is the 52-week range, $9.61 to $16.76. So this is a good stock, probably for a long-term stock, and this will be a good one for your dividend portfolio. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not my, I can't give financial advice, but this is my honest opinion that I'm giving, and this is why I created this channel. So basically the stock monthly dividend, okay, monthly dividend. Slowly it has increased its dividend. So that's something that's very attractive. Let's jump to how it's done against the S&P real quick. So really since inception, it's only up 2.86 to the S&P 118.46%. That's understandable. I'm not too worried about how it's doing against the S&P. Eventually it'll improve itself. Past 5 years, it's been right in line with the S&P, which is somewhat attractive. It was right there, and now it's in the past 5 years, it's slowly gaining ground against the S&P. It's only down by a few percent. So this stock is slowly going to grow. This is not something that's going to grow fast. It's going to slowly grow. Offers a monthly dividend, which is good. So it's well diversified in your portfolio. Now, for me, I am planning on setting up a Roth IRA. I wouldn't feel bad having this in a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA because eventually that price per share will increase. The monthly dividends will increase and the compound interest will come in. Now, from a dividend side, I'm going to invest in land and have that in my dividend portfolio. I haven't ruled out adding that into my Roth IRA, but thinking about the stock slowly and gradually going up and the monthly dividends going up, this is an attractive stock for me to earn passive income on monthly dividends. Let me just jump to its dividend history real quick. So slowly over time, it has increased its dividend. So let's go all the way down. 3 cents, 2014, 2015, 2016, 4 cents. Slowly it's going up. That's good. You want to see things slowly go up. Okay, the annual dividend slowly goes up. So that's not too bad for a diversified stock. Realty Income increases its dividend all the time. These guys slowly will. Stag has LTC. So that's a good thing about a real estate investment trust. I think this one is well protected. People need food. People need farmland. People are getting older, so the demand for food and everything is going up. And it's good to be well diversified. And Gladstone Land Corporation is a good one to have that, to be well diversified and to have in your monthly dividend portfolio, which I will be adding on Monday. I had it in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, sold it, saving that, and now I'm saving it for my E-Trade dividend portfolio to have it individually set as a stock, because my goal is to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. Rack up a bunch of money and throw it in land over time. That will be fantastic. I need to probably get around, say, 50, 60 shares, eventually get to 100 so that I can really start doing some damage and getting maybe $1,500 I'll probably need to really start doing some damage with this stock. And then eventually it's going to just keep on improving and getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And then I just don't even have to put any money in it. I'll just leave it alone and let the dividends reinvest themselves. In 15, 20 years, that'll be nice passive income for me. Probably 30, but we'll see. But that's the beauty of compound interest and passive income. So let me know what you think of this video. Any of you guys invested in Gladstone Land Corporation, let me know. Any of you guys interested in investing in farmland, let me know. And make sure you smash that like button. And again, if you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a good weekend. I will be working and looking at, probably I'll post a video Sunday night. I'm going to try to do that. But, I'm going to get the ball rolling. And I wanted to post a stock and dividend analysis on the stock that I own. So thank you again and have a good one.